Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss how to fix the issue of Capcut templates not showing on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, make sure the app is up to date. Let's navigate to the App Store and open it. In the top search bar, enter Capcut to find the app. Tap the Capcut app to open its page and make sure the app is updated. Now let's go back to the home screen and navigate to the settings to open it. In the settings menu, open general settings. Scroll down and navigate the language and region to open it. Here open region and select the exact location of your country. Once you do that, let's go back and find VPN and device management to open it. And make sure the VPN is not connected. Now let's go back to the home screen and open Capcut app. In the Capcut, make sure you are already logged in. If you don't, please log in with your email or Google account. So this is how you can fix the problem if the Capcut templates are not showing on iPhone. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.